Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be blending these two colors together, the purple and the bright pink together to create a custom hair color. So with that said, let's go straight into the video. Okay, so to start, you want to go ahead and cut the braiding hair into your desired length. So for me, I'm going ahead to cut it into 4 sections. Okay, so again, you want to do the same thing to the second hair, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm cutting the pink one also into 4 sections. So you can make the bright color a bit longer than the dark color if you want. It depends on what you want for your braiding hair. Okay, so once you've cut the hair, you want to go ahead and pull on the end to give you extra length. So that will get rid of the blunt end. So once you're done pulling on the end for extra length, you want to go ahead and comb the hair to make sure it's tangle free for the next step. Okay, so moving on to the next step, you want to take a little bit of hair from both colors. So next you want to put them on top of each other. So you want to layer it, just like I'm doing in this video. Okay, so next you want to start moving the hair a little at a time from one hand to the other and making sure to grab both colors while doing that, okay? Okay, so once you're done doing that, once you're done moving all the hair, the next step is to go ahead and comb it. And you want to start from the tip of the hair and work your way to the top. So once that is done, you want to go in for the second time. So you want to keep repeating this until you're satisfied with the result. So I'm going back in for the second time, doing the same thing, moving a little bit of hair at a time and making sure to grab both colors so that will help to distribute the color, kind of help to blend it evenly. Again, you want to make sure to repeat this process over again until you're satisfied with the blend. All right. Again, once you're done moving all the hair, you want to do the same thing. Go ahead, take your comb and comb it to make sure it's tangle free before going ahead to repeat it. So here's how the hair is looking after repeating the process again. So as you can see, it looked well blended, and I have my own custom hair color. So here is the side-by-side comparison to the before and after. As you can see in this video, the pink is really bright and the purple is really dark. So by blending both the colors together, you get to create your own custom hair color. And also, you don't have to use this exact color I use in this video. You can do this with any color of your choice. So you just want to make sure it's well blended to get that unique color for yourself. So with this, you can use it for box braid on the tip of your box braid. You can use it for crochet braid or crochet wig. So I'm going to be using mine for crochet wig. And here it is on natural light, so daylight. As you can see, with the sun shining on it, it looks really, really pretty. I really love the outcome and the result and the blend, everything. I love it, and I hope you guys do too. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and I'll see you all in my next one.